Don't make me come over there and snatch you up off that couch. It's time for mail call.
Hey, good morning, peeps. Good afternoon, good morning, good midday. Wherever you are in the world turning in, we wish you a ball of happiness. And we hope you stay frosty.
Stay awesome.
And stay awesome. All right. What do we got today, Barrett?
We have a 2026 Leaf Metal Football.
All right. 2026 Leaf Metal Football Jumbo Pack. All right. That we're going to crack open today. But before we do that, real quick, we're going to take about 5 seconds and just say, hey, we hope you can drop in to www.legendsautograph-series.com. Check it out. When you purchase one of these boxes, it's not just cards, it's also supporting veterans and veteran causes. And they're awesome. You won't be disappointed. I promise. All these cards behind are chase cards. So, plus there's a lot of other stuff. You got anything you want to say real quick?
Yep. We have all sorts of things, and if you get a box, you won't be disappointed.
All right. We'll talk a little bit more about it at the end. Okay, so today we're going to make a box of 2026 Leaf Metal Football appear out of thin air. 1, 2, 3. And boom! Magically, there it is. Look at that. All right, cool. I love the presentation of Leaf. Should we just hop right in here?
Yep.
Go ahead and give that a slice. Slice it and dice it. All right, here we go. The good old trusty Benchmade there.
Yeah.
Got rid of the scissors from yesterday.
Yeah.
Oops, wrong end. Okay. Here we go, folks. While I'm opening this up and getting this ready, a lot of the cards that come in these will end up as free gifts for the Legends Autograph Series boxes. So some of these cards, if you buy a box, you will see them in the series as free gifts. I'm using good old Leaf Ace Bailey here as the lead card going into that.
That's not actually a part of the thing.
Not a part of it. I'm only going to grab about half of them.
Half of them.
Just to get started here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll start off. These are going to be the base card. So we'll start off with the first one is James Purcell. Don't know who that is. Most of these are college players. And that is a 1 of 8 on the James Purcell. Nice looking card though. Then we've got a Michael Payne. I've heard that name before. Michael Payne on an Explode Onto the Scene. Okay. That's a 7 of 8. Then we got James Simmons. Explode Onto the Scene. And that's a 6 of 7. Austin Simmons. That's a cool looking card, huh?
Wait, did you just say that's a 6 of 7, the last one?
Yep, and a 3 of 3.
If any of you guys know it, 6, 7.
Oh God, don't even start. Then Landon Hawley on a 1 of 1. That's cool. It's James French. I wonder if that's a spelling error. French. French.
I think that's a spelling error.
Seems like it, doesn't it?
I think it accidentally glitched out and printed the F twice.
Mr. Fiffa. And that's a 1 of 3. Micaiah Hudson, I've heard of him. Onto the Scene. It's a 4 of 5. Will Griffin. Armed and Dangerous. 1 of 8. Oh, and our first autograph. Troy Hoon. Troy Hoon. It's a troll. Okay. Now into some autographs here, looks like. Sawyer Robinson in the old school 1950 leaf on a 101. Harlem Berry. God, I love the look of these leaf cards. 1 of 5.
The explode into the scene ones.
Yeah, and then we got Riley Leonard on a 101. A Juju Lewis. I know that name.
Legitness. Yeah,
I know the Juju Lewis name.
Me too.
Heard of him before. Pearson. That was the Dallas Cowboys right there. Drew Pearson, Dallas Cowboy. 101. Earl Campbell.
Ooh.
Earl Campbell's a GOAT. Gosh, we just did a signing with Earl Campbell not too long ago, a couple weeks ago. That's cool. That's a great card. I love some Earl Campbell. Legend. Hall of Famer. And also a Heisman Trophy winner.
Oh.
George McIntyre.
Oh wait, I've heard that name.
5. Yeah, I have too.
I've heard of that.
And Jared Curtis. 78. Very cool. What do we think? Did we get our value out of that box, you think?
Yeah, I think what really made it good was the Earl Campbell.
The Earl Campbell. The Earl Campbell is definitely probably helps pay for the box for sure.
Yeah.
No doubt about it. Very cool. Well, again, Leaf products, just awesome. We love supporting Leaf. And Leaf is also a huge supporter of the things we do. We don't break boxes to, do all the crazy stuff a lot of people are doing online. But anyway, little last shout out here, maybe a little more in depth. Legends Autograph Series is from the Bruce Fremont collection. And you're going to find a lot of legends in here. Well, they're all legends. Check out the site, www.legendsautograph-series.com for a better description. Right now, all of them are first off the line. And yeah, we just want to get these out in the hands of great collectors that will appreciate them. And proceeds go to, some of the proceeds are going to go to veteran causes. As me and Bruce are both combat vets. Barrett, you want to take us out?
Yes. There are guaranteed 2 graded cards per box, and if you noticed on this side, the Babe Ruth is the chase card. And if you want to change your collection forever, check out this link right there. These boxes are something else. Yeah. And if you buy a box, you will not be disappointed. It's practically impossible.
Yeah, that's kind of true. It is practically
and
impossible.
They are also packed off-site, so not even we know what's in them.
Yep, we do have a independent place they're packed. That way nobody knows what's going in them, so on and so forth. But anyway, so legendsautographseries.com. Here's some of the chase cards. We got a Joe Montana rookie card with 3 inscriptions. Hard to find that. Ty Cobb, 101 cut signature. Mickey Mantle, 1953 reprint, signed. The GOAT, Jordan, Michael Jordan, signed, 89 Fleer. And then, of course, the big dog of the day is the Babe Ruth. So, hop over there, check it out. Thanks for stopping by. Throw us a like, throw us a subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Peace.
I'm gonna give you to the count of 10 to get your ugly, yellow, no good keister off my property before I pump your guts full of lead. 1, 2, 10. Keep the change, you filthy animal.
Okay, bye.